welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I recently announced that during the month of December, instead of doing the traditional Vlogmas, I will be uploading a new video every other day that is either medical assisting or college related. However, I do want to give a little disclaimer that these videos were all filmed 2 to 4 years ago and used to be on my second channel before I started incorporating medical assisting and college related topics into my main channel, which is what you are watching now. Not a lot of people know about my second channel, and it is inactive now. However, some of the videos that I have on that channel are videos people have left me requests on in videos recently, so I figured it would be a fun way for you guys to see a lot more new content throughout the month, since my schedule does not allow me to do the traditional Vlogmas where you vlog every day and upload a new video every day. So without further ado, let's get started. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a no makeup look that you guys can wear to clinical. 99.9% of the time, I just go looking like this. I throw my hair up in a bun and put on one of my no-slip grip headbands. But if you are someone who really likes wearing makeup, then this is a look you can go with that isn't over the top. As always, I will have all the products mentioned in this video listed in the description box in case you are interested in purchasing any of them. And with that being said, let's just get started. So to start off my makeup, I'm going to be using a moisturizer. This is just the Clean and Clear Morning Burst Hydrating Gel Moisturizer. Wearing a moisturizer is really important, especially on clinical, because the hospitals tend to be really dry. And then moving on to the actual makeup, I'm going to be starting with my brows. I use a tinted brow mascara. The one I am using is just from NYX, and it is in the shade Blonde. Yes, I am aware my hair is brown, but I've noticed that this makes it so my eyebrows don't look so sparse, but at the same time, it doesn't make me look scary. Moving on to my actual eye makeup, I'm going to keep it really simple and just use my go-to cream eyeshadow, which is just the Clinique Lid Smoothie in the color Bit O' Honey. And this is one of my holy grail eyeshadow products, and I absolutely love it. It is a really nice champagne color, and since it is a cream shadow, it stays all day. And then for mascara, I like to go with a waterproof one, and this one is just the Maybelline Mega Plush Volume Express Mascara. This has and always will be a holy grail mascara, and I've been using this one ever since I was in middle school. Moving on to face makeup, I'm just going to be using a little bit of concealer because I don't want to do an entire full face of makeup. I'm just going to be using the Rimmel London Matched Perfection 2-in-1 concealer and highlighter, and I'm just going to be taking that and covering up the dark circles under my eyes. And then for lips, I'm just going to put on a lip balm. This is the Nivea A Kiss of Milk and Honey Soothing Lip Care. Finish off my entire makeup look, I'm just going to be taking the NYX setting spray and spraying it all over my face. And then this is just the final look. The scrubs I'm wearing are just the fuchsia scrubs from a website called Dressamed. I will have them linked down below. So that is just my go-to no makeup look for clinical. Like I said, I really don't wear makeup, but if I were to, this is what I would do. As you guys can see from the title, today I'm just going to be showing you guys 3 quick and easy hairstyles that you can wear to clinicals. Keep in mind that these are all just no-brainer basic ideas and that this is nothing special. Because when you're going to clinical, you want something very minimal, something quick and easy, and something that is going to stay in all day. So that is why I figured I would show you guys my 3 favorite hairstyles to wear. And without further ado, let's get started. So the first hairstyle is the most basic, and it is the one I'm wearing right now, and it is just your basic ponytail. These are super easy to do. You literally just brush your hair and put it up in a ponytail. One thing I do recommend is that you do get the ponytails that do not have the metal clips on them, because those have a tendency to move around and dig into your head, and that's the last thing you want to have to worry about. Also, if you can find the ponytails with the grippies, I wish I had one in, but I don't. But if you can find the ones with the grippies on them, I highly suggest getting those. I am not going to show you guys how to do this because it is just basic knowledge on how to do a ponytail. If you do need a tutorial, by all means, go ahead and look it up. But this is just what mine looks like. And as you guys know, this is one of my go-to looks. And then the second hairstyle I have for you guys is braids. I personally like French braids. And with this, you have a couple options. You can go down the middle with just one braid, or you can do 2 pigtail French braids. I do want to give a huge shout out to my friend Kelly, who is in the respiratory therapy program with me, for doing this. For the purpose of this video, I myself am awful when it comes to braiding. I can do it on anyone else except for myself. So if you're someone who wants your hair out of your face and you don't want to have to worry about it, and you don't want anything whipping back and forth like a ponytail, I highly suggest going with either a single French braid or double French braids. And then the last one is just a low bun, which I'm just going to show you how I do right here. So as you guys can see, my hair is down, and all I'm going to do is take it and swoop it down under my ears. And then I'm just going to gather my hair as if I was putting it in a ponytail and tuck my chin down to my chest. Take the hair and twist it continuously and then twist it into a bun. Then I'm just going to go ahead and take a ponytail, and with this I highly recommend doubling up on ponytails. I also like to go back and loosen up a few pieces, and this is just what it looks like. I think it looks super cute. So those are 3 of my favorite quick and easy hairstyles for clinicals. Like I said in the beginning, this wasn't meant to be an actual tutorial. It's just basic suggestions I have. So that is all I have for you guys today. If you guys liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. If you have any questions, you can leave them down there as well, and I will do my best to answer them. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Throughout this month, I will be uploading a new video every other day, and would love it if you'd become part of our little family. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you are notified every time a new video goes live. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!